you could probably hear that we've started doing music at the start of our video, and we're going to be doing sound effects.
Yay!
Okay.
Love it.
The sound effects we are using. We're going to make up a random story. I'll start first. Yeah. So I was walking down the street, and I just decided to go. And then a man, he said, "Oh, hello, I heard you whistle." Oh, you see me? Hello. He said, "Hello, I heard you whistle like a." And then I was like, no, that wasn't me. That was that lady down the street. That was really embarrassing. And then Kira decided to butt in and just tell a really, really bad joke. Are you going to tell her?
What is a duck with no flipper? A non-flipping duck.
Can you please not do that, whoever that sound effect person is? Okay, I just want to see what you want to say about Kira's joke. Yeah, I think you do. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah. Boo her! Yeah, so I did actually think that she was going to go, she was absolutely rubbish, and she embarrassed me! And then I just decided to go.
Where did you decide to go?
Hey, I decided to go. I've got an idea for a video! See? Yeah?
What is our idea for the video anyway?
We've just done it.
Oh yeah, right. Sorry.
Okay guys, that's bye from us.
Bye bye.
And we'll see you later.